The dead headbone coon dance. Got him.
Go ahead, Tim. Oh, son of a bitch. Oh, man, that is awesome. Holy crap. There you go, buddy. Woo! Now that is a deer.
Look at those acorn points.
Yep,
though.
that
How
is
he sealed it
awesome.
off. Isn't that
That
awesome?
is awesome.
Get over here.
You don't see that every day. Very cool.
Look at the. It's like he ran into a
Yep,
brick
I
wall.
know.
I saw that, and look at that big old head.
Yep.
It got some huge.
That sucker's got some
old.
age. That's an old deer.
It smells ruddy too.
Yeah, you don't have to. You ain't gonna find that just everywhere.
No, look at that big old head.
Mm-mm.
Got you a poking young deer, man.
That sucker will go on the wall. I've never put one on the wall, and he is going on the wall.
Yeah, very nice.
Probably
60.
Yeah.
That's amazing.
Yep.
We didn't see. I mean, we saw deer, but we went from seeing some deer to today. As soon as that front rolled, it was like, look at all the deer.
Yeah, run
and
them
driving
off the
over here, look at all the deer.
Yep. Yep. Had to run them off the road just to get over here.
Whew. Good God. Golly. That is awesome.
He's a stud, man. He is super cool.
Yeah.
Super
big
cool.
Old.
Look at that big old head.
Yep.
Man.
Big old deer. Yes, sir. Very nice.
1, 2, 3. Good boy.
Oh yeah, he's a very good boy. Beep beep. Yeah, we'll
Down right there.
Okay.
All right. You'll lay him down just like that. Very nice, Mr. Rob. Look at the mass on that. Did that do all right for the mass? Can you get your hands around those?
Yes.
We got you a good one, didn't we? We got you a good one.
Hey, Chewy. Thank you, Chewy.
That's just a gorgeous buck. I knew he was a pretty nice deer. Look how heavy.
How old do you think he is?
No, he's a 6.5-year-old buck. Look how massive that is. Boy, you've done a great job.
No.
You've done a great job.
Thank you, Patrick.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I'm proud to be a part of it.
It was a hell of a shot. Hell of a shot.
This is a very super great buck for me. We came in here this morning. We looked for him. We saw a lot of bucks, a lot of deer, but he wouldn't show up. And we came back this afternoon, and there he was with some other bucks, and we nailed him, and here he is.
Yeah, you did.
Very happy with this buck.
I am very happy for you too, Rob. Congratulations, another great Santa Ricci buck. We're super thrilled to have you. We're super thrilled to see you holding that great deer. You were here with us last year. You were unsuccessful, and I'm glad we were able to make it up on the first day this year. That's a great deer.
I am too. Looking forward to another hunt next year.
So are we. Great job, Rob. I appreciate you.
This is just a unique deer, absolutely beautiful deer.
Yeah.
Probably 6.5 years old, and yes, I'm just tickled to death. Yes, absolutely.
So how'd you get him?
We shot him about 160 yards, and in the middle of it was 99% sure that I hit him, and then it was 100%, and we got down. I mean, he jumped, and then they jumped the fence. We couldn't find any hair, couldn't find any blood, and all of a sudden, Cucho saw just a little speck of blood, and there he was about, I don't know, 15 yards or so. So yeah, pretty neat though. Yes. Now that's an absolutely beautiful Mexican buck.
That is a beautiful deer.
Absolutely. Tickle
We're
there.
all proud of
Yes.
you.
And I thank you, Passion. Thank you, sir. I appreciate it a lot.
Only one thing wrong, he's got a deformed ear, Bill.
Huh?
He's got a deformed ear
Oh,
there.
we'll
No,
pick
that-
out one of those two. It'll be all right.
That was split many years ago because the hair has grown back on it. So yeah, good mass, good good long beams.
Monster main beams.
Yeah, yeah, yes sir, absolutely.
Hit him a little far front. He's an old boy. Look at his brows. Got some really nice brows. He's just he's a good deer. I didn't see this kicker. He's got really good mass on this side. One, two, 4, 5 rings. He's a beauty. Look at that big head. He's 5.5 years old.
Old buck.
He's an old buck.
Congratulations, Mike.
He's an old buck. Thank you. Thank you very much. He's heavy.
1, 2.
There, he's a nice buck.
Beautiful buck.
Very nice buck. Got a little kicker right there. Put your keys on. Nice buck. Donnie always says they have these wrinkles. That means they're old, at least 5 years old if they
Yeah.
have these wrinkles
Thank you.
on their ears.
Very nice job. Very nice job. Good shot.
I give you time, didn't I? You said he was coming, so you want him, right?
Yeah. No.
Patrick Starnes, San Enrique. Again.
That's a management buck. He's a 7-year-old deer that he's an older buck that I've been letting live, and he had a really heavy set of horns when he was young, kind of high off his head, real pretty buck. And I let him live, and at 7.5, he's not what I wanted him to be. And I said, you know what, this year I'm not going to carry him an extra year because he's too dominant in the area. There's other bucks here I'd rather have in the breeding cycle. So let's get rid of him as soon as the rut starts, and that's exactly what we did. Today was a good day for that. Thank you very much, Donnie.
Thank you, sir.
Nice shooting Tex.
Yeah, man.
Is that another buck? He has great eye guards, and he has pretty good beam length.
Mm-hmm.
But that's it. Nice. Congratulations. Good job.
Thank you,
Good
sir.
Nice shot, Donnie.
Yeah, thank
Yeah, it
you.
was a good shot of a perfect bunch.
Congratulations, sir.
Thank you
Very
very
good.
much.
Way to
man.
go. It was a little back. I thought it was. 'Cause
Yeah.
He kind of hooked up in the center. So.
He's back there.
Yeah, that was your first.
Al mero centro del...
¿Se acabó el rollo?
¿El rollo o lo de la cámara? Hold on, you want me in this screen as well.
I'm rolling.
That's awesome.
There you go.
That's awesome. Selfie with like a, I don't know, 165? Hold on, shoulder punching. Just like that. Just exactly, precisely like that. Just like that. Just exactly precise.
It's such a pleasure to be here with Patrick Starnes and to have the opportunity to help him work with his management program. In this pasture alone, we've seen a low 170s and probably a 180
Yes, sir.
in the last 2 hours. And Patrick wants those bucks to be breeding his does, so bucks like this that are fairly mature that just don't have the genetic makeup, they need to go. And so we're working with Patrick to get that done.
We're still looking for a trophy, but we got to find one old enough. Those bigger ones we saw earlier, they're a little young still, so we got to let them go. But the ones that are old enough, we shoot them, and the ones that don't fit the program, they got to be shot as well.
But it's fun. It's fun.
Yeah, it is. Way to go.